Maybe I should do a time warp.
Of those, and then you'll see the lights count down. It'll flash, it'll beep, and that means you're calibrated. So now you slide it on the wall, and see, now it's starting to detect, and once that center ring lights up, you're in the middle of the stud. So you push down, and then it leaves a little mark on the wall.
Oh. It gets all 3 of our studs, stud finder marks, and we have them all lined up. And then what, babe?
Man, I'm just gonna draw a line. Line this level up. So you can see it's plumb, it's a straight line, and then I'm just gonna take my pencil.
To make sure it's to the edge of this and not the edge. More glue. We definitely need more glue.
This is not gonna come off the wall.
Never. Even when we hate it. Clean your hands.
Way as possible. We've all moved to the four corners of Los Angeles County.
On the Instagram, again, her peak, it's perfect. I feel like we've definitely posted it before. We talked about this gift a lot, but like, she's got a look on her face that might be playful and.
Our shiplap wall is done. I stayed up till about 5:30 in the morning painting this, painting the baseboards, retouching up the ceiling. This is the final product. Gil, what are you doing?